in South Africa, and we're filming Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Parts 1 and 2. And I didn't want the year to end without thanking you all for coming out to the theaters. And thank you for supporting Top Gun Maverick. Thank you for supporting Iron Lanza. Iron Lanza. Thank you. We really gotta roll. We gotta get this shot. We're filming. We gotta get this shot. All right. Are you coming? Not on your line. Good luck. Okay. We'll see you down there. Whoa. Where was I? Oh, yeah. Thank you for supporting Top Gun Maverick. As always, thank you for allowing us to entertain you. It truly is the honor of a lifetime. Yeah. Very lucky. I'm running out of altitude, so I better get back to work. We gotta get this shot. You have a very safe and happy holiday. We'll see you at the movies.
December 22nd, the biggest movie of the year arrives on Paramount Plus. Top Gun Maverick.